Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Yesterday I was talking to a subscriber. He wanted to know more about the newspaper Tinder bundles that I used to use. And about 10 or 12 years ago when I first learned how to hand drill, I practiced all the time. I might make 10 or more embers a day. Well, I didn't want to go out in the woods and collect up that many Tinder bundles. That's when I started using like a half page of newspaper. Just take and crumple it up real well, straighten it back out, roll it up into a tube, bend it around into a horseshoe shape. And that's what I want to show you today. I don't have a hand drill long enough to use because this is all that's left of my never miss yucca spindle. But we'll go ahead and bow drill this little thing and make that same size ember. Not too complicated. Well, it's down to about 5.5 inches now. Fat wood bearing block and a white oak, spalted white oak fireboard. Let's go ahead and do the burn in. It just broke on me. We'll do the burn in right here. Then we'll cut a notch. Then we'll go for the ember and see if our newspaper Tinder bundle can go to flames. It's not a gimme. Yeah, you can still fail with a newspaper Tinder bundle. Oh, this is not a big old spring clamp. This is the person you got lost with in the woods. Don't have enough point on there. Let's try some fire roll. All right, let's do 3 more. How about the fire roll? Any kind of ember that you make should work rather well in a newspaper tinder bundle. Only takes about a half teaspoon of ashes. A little bit of ash on the bottom board. All right. Oh, I don't have my flint and steel out here. Hold on. Like I say, this is not foolproof. I was out here practicing and I missed a couple already this morning. So I don't know how these other two will work out. But the convenience of it is, you know, speaks for itself. I wonder if I can sort of put all these pieces on top of each other and try that. That char cloth ember is way hotter than the fire roll ember. All right, one more. Let's do some charred punkwood. Now we have a bunch of small pieces that might grab that spark. Right here. All right, y'all, do me a favor before you leave my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.